Uy! Yung malalim pa doon kaya? Dito sa kabila. Dito na lang tayo bili. They have fish dito, Ivo. Sige, okay lang, lapag mo. Okay lang yan. Ano to dito? Liguan din yan? Dito. You want inside or dito? Dito na lang. Dito sir. Wait for ano. Wait for John Chris. Wait for fish. They have fish underwater. You have to wear your goggles. You can see them underwater.
I don't see them. They're underwater.
Okay, go na. Go. Pwede tumalan? Yeah? Sige, go. Ivo. Go ahead. Huwag dyan sa rope. Huwag dyan sa rope. Ivo, huwag dyan sa rope. Dito ka. Doon ka. Huwag dyan sa rope. Doon ka. Yun.
Come with me.
Papa will go first. You want Papa go first?
The big hole.
Dito ka kay Kuya.
The big fish is my favorite.
Ivo, takot din ako eh. Sige, pwede na. Woo! Ow. Why ow? Your eyes. It's okay, it's just a sunblock. Suot mo ng goggles mo. Punas mo yung eyes mo. Ivo, punasan mo yung eyes mo. Wipe your eyes. It's okay. Goggles na Bill. They have fish underwater. We'll look for the fish, ha? Okay. Sige. Sige, iwan mo lang yung phone dyan. Ligo ka na muna. Bill, let's look for fish underwater. Sabi ka. Wait, tapos. Okay, get ready? 1, 2, 3. Did you see it? No? Let's look again. Go on. Sleeping fish. Okay, one again. Again. Go. 1, 2, 3. No, again. Let's go swim again. Let's go swim. Is that Nemo? Huh? No, not Nemo. Huh? What's the color?
White and orange.
White and orange.
Yeah, that's the color of Nemo.
Okay. Let's go again. Let's look for it. Ha? Sige, lapag mo lang. Okay lang ka.
Papa,
Ligo ka muna.
I think not.
Ayun na. Ayun siya. Huh?
What is that?
What is that?
What is that in it? What is that?
Ayun na siya. Ibo, ayun na. Dad Chris mo.
He's got to do this right. He's got to do this right.
Ayun na siya, Ibo. Sige. Oo, hindi na po, libo.
Yan, Chris, magkamot po yung fish. Magkamot po Nemo.
Look for Nemo. Put your goggles on.
Dapat Nemo, sorry.
Okay, so